Hello everyone, AJ here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be, I know you saw it in the title, and it is how we can get free products even though you are not doing YouTube or you don't have a huge following in your social media accounts. If you like these kinds of videos and you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are new to this channel, I do upload every Tuesday and Friday, so please hit the notification bell below so that you are updated when I post new content. So what inspired me to do this video is that when I didn't do YouTube yet, this is one of the videos that I really love to watch with my favorite YouTubers. And these YouTubers, they do get like massive and a lot of PR boxes that are free, that cost them nothing, and they would just get it for free because they would review it on YouTube. And I would Google myself, like, how can I do this? Like, how can I get those free products? But then I didn't have any huge following. Wala akong maraming followers sa Instagram. I didn't have a YouTube account back then. But then these are things that I have tried, or these are my recommendations for those that I haven't tried. But I do have a lot of recommendations for you guys because I did Google this before I did YouTube, and I was able to get free products even before I did YouTube. Kaya naman mas na-inspire pa ako na mag-research pa lalo para mas mabigyan ko kayo ng mas maraming resources on where you can get all these free products. So these hacks are how to get free products even though you are not a YouTuber. So meron din akong konting unboxing in the end from a company that provides free products, which I am also going to suggest later in this video. I would like to reiterate that this video is not sponsored, and I am doing this video because alam ko pare-parehas tayo. Like, who doesn't want free products? I do. I love free products. Alright, so I'm not gonna make my intro longer kasi alam ko you are also excited to know how you can get these free products. So the first step that I can give you on how to get free products is whenever you shop at Sephora or whenever you shop at MAC, Hudson's Bay, or Nordstrom, or those big department stores, always ask for free samples. Here in Canada or even in the USA, here in North America, we are able to ask free samples from Sephora or even in Nordstrom. I remember for one product before, gusto kong itry yung foundation and yung primer from Hourglass. And Hourglass is not a cheap brand. Hourglass is so expensive and I can't afford to buy their primer or their foundation. So what I ended up doing is that I went to Sephora and asked for my color IQ or my foundation shade, and then I asked for a free sample. Tapos nung makuha ko na yung shade ko ng foundation and nakakuha din ako ng sample sa Sephora, what I did is I went to Nordstrom, and in Nordstrom they have bigger sizes of samples that they can give you. They put it in this nice jars that have lids on it so that they don't dry up. So I like getting samples in Nordstrom rather than Sephora. And Nordstrom have more brands that are expensive and they don't skimp on giving you those free samples. So wag kayong mahihiya, guys. Just go to Nordstrom, go to Sephora, go to Hudson's Bay or MAC, and if you ask for free samples, they will give you one. So the second hack that I can give you to get free products is log into websites or create account to the websites that can give you free products that you can review. So an example of this is Chick Advisor Product Review Club, and another website is Buzz Agent. So these websites are very specific to those that really want to give reviews and honest reviews of the samples or full-size products that they will receive in the mail. So if you're interested in that, and I know a lot of you are interested in receiving free products, then go ahead and sign up to those websites. So the third tip that I can give you guys, especially those that are staying here in Canada, is to sign up at free.ca and samplesource.ca. If you are a student, there is also a program at SPC where you can get free samples of products. I remember getting like Tide Pods as a sample, even the magic eraser from Mr. Clean, and I also got like an air freshener from one of them already before. Like, if you like getting products that are not only related to skincare and makeup, then free.ca and samplesource.ca are great websites for that. The fifth recommendation that I can give you if you really want to get free products to receive in the mail is to download apps. So a few apps that I have searched online that are still currently available are called Zyper and Super Great. So these two apps are basically the same as Buzz Agent and the Chick Advisor Product Review Club. However, these are apps. Instead of you being on a website, you are going to be using an app that you download on your phone. The good thing about this is that, again, you are going to be on your phone. It's mobile, it's portable, and just give your honest and genuine reviews, and then you will receive free products along the way. And then the last recommendation that I have to get free products is to go to Influencer Canada or Influenster if you're in the US or other parts of the world, and you can sign up to get free products. Just link any social media account that you have. If you have huge followings, then you have more chances of getting free products. I can't link my YouTube account right now in my Influencer. However, I have received free products from Influencer before. So I got this Neostrata Dual Acid Anti-Aging Peel from Influencer before, like way back, probably like a year ago. And I also got like a Marc Jacobs mascara, including the lash primer when it just went out before the public got their hands on those products. So yun yung gusto ko sa Influencer because they do send you full-size products. So this one is full-size. I haven't started using this one because I feel like I don't need it yet. It's an anti-aging product with 20% AHA and PHA. So that is too high for me. However, when I do need this in the future, I'm gonna start using this one. Kasi kapag ginamit mo na yung product, the useful life is from the date that you open it and then up to 12 months or whatever it says on the bottle. And I also got a box from Influencer recently. So this is what I was saying earlier, that I'm gonna be doing a mini unboxing of free products that I got from Influencer. And I think all of these are full-size products. So this is something from Influencer Canada because Shoppers I think is here in Canada. I don't know if there's Shoppers in the US, but I'm gonna be unboxing this. So I have my paper, tapos merong coupon ba to? Siguro may coupon to, or dito nakalagay yung mga products na nandito sa loob. So meron tayong mini magazine. So it says, congratulations, you have been selected to be part of the new And So You box. You will be one of the first to try a few brand new launches thanks to Shoppers Drug Mart. Check out more details on these products and other great new finds in the enclosed brochure. Alright, so far I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what? Wow, there are 5 full-size products in here, you guys, and these are all from the drugstore. So if you want to purchase these two, you can get them from Shoppers. I'm pretty sure these are affordable. So I'm gonna unbox this quickly and then I'll let you know what I got. So the first thing I see in here is this John Frieda Detox and Repair Mask for your dry, stress, and damaged hair. So I definitely do have stress and dry hair in my tips. So I will definitely use this. Let me see. Ooh. Wow, this smells so good. This might smell too good. However, I like using fragrant products on my hair, not so much on my skin, but in my hair I don't mind. Yeah, so it looks like that. Yeah, it smells so good. It almost smells like a perfume to me. Ang bango, grabe. Okay, so this is from John Frieda. I haven't used like products from John Frieda before, so I'm excited to try that as well. So this one has green tea and avocado oil. So avocado oil is very nourishing. I'm so excited to use this in my hair. And the next product I see here is this Biore Free Your Pores Rose Quartz and Charcoal Stress Relief Clay Mask. I love clay masks and I do love sheet masks as well. So it says it's great for oily skin. So if you have watched my product MT's video, I said there that I no longer have oily skin. So I don't know if I'm gonna give this a try or I'm gonna pass it along. So I feel like this is gonna be so nice to take a picture of kasi di ba nga, your skin is gonna look pink. I have a mask from Ole Henriksen and that one, it just looks like blue-green when you put it on your face. So that one is like so cool and so nice to have to use as a mask because yun nga maganda siyang picturean at a post sa Instagram. So this one I believe it's gonna be nice to post on Instagram as well because this is rose quartz. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna pass it along or I'm gonna use this. It also says that it will reveal soft, smooth skin that radiates energy and happiness. What? Energy? Okay. So that's a very high claim. It will radiate happiness once you use this. So I don't know if I'm gonna use this one, guys. And then the next product that I see here in the box is this Garnier Repairing Treat Shampoo that has papaya extract. So it has a vegan formula and there is no silicones. And it also doesn't have any parabens. There's no artificial colorants. And it's suitable for color treated hair. So I do have color treated hair. I had my hair dyed when I went back to the Philippines in November. So I feel like I'm gonna enjoy this product. Let me just quickly smell it if it's open. Yeah, it definitely smells like papaya, you guys. I like shampoos that don't have silicones in them, so I'm probably gonna use this after I finish my shampoo that I'm currently using right now. So the next product that I see here is this Dove body wash, and it says that it's gonna make you glow, and it has mango butter and almond butter for moisturizing and radiant skin. So I definitely want a glowing skin, and not only on my face but also like my entire body. So I'm so excited to use this one. It says that it's naturally derived and it has skin natural nutrients and plant-based moisturizer. So again, this product from Dove, it says that it's cruelty free, and they're also using a 100% recycled bottle. Love that. I'm excited to use this one. It doesn't like glowing skin, right? And I hope it actually does what it claims to do. And then the last product that I see here in my box that I got for free is this Colgate Zero. Yes, just says Colgate Zero, and it says that it is, oh, I'm reading the one in French, that's why I can't understand. Okay, let's read the one in English. Okay, so this is a Colgate anti-cavity fluoride toothpaste, and it helps remineralize enamel and provides proven cavity protection. It's zero because there's no artificial, no added flavors, no sweeteners, no preservatives, and no colors. Nice. I want toothpaste that are all natural. So I'm excited to try this toothpaste. I thought it's gonna be teeth whitening. I wanted to get like a teeth whitening toothpaste because I want to whiten my teeth. Like I've been wanting to go to the dentist to have my teeth whitened. However, I have an issue with drinking coffee. So pag pupunta ako magpa-whiten ng teeth, because I did it before, I can't drink coffee for at least like 1 week. So I can't really do that. But I am also excited to use this product because I got it for free. Alright, that is it for the hacks and tips and tricks that I can give you guys in terms of getting your free products in the mail. So I hope you like this informational video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and leave a comment down below. I would definitely appreciate it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you're updated when I post new content. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.